Greetings to all. Welcome to the data processing session of this Python series. So in this particular data processing, I'm going to tell you a real-time Excel data processing using Python programming, leveraging the packages say pandas, numpy and matplotlib.pyplot. So let us see that from the base. So assume that we have a student record, say his register number, the course name, the faculty advisor ID, sessional exam mark, I mean the first cycle mark, second cycle mark, assignment marks, internal laboratory mark, external laboratory mark, and semester mark, and so on. Now let us do some analysis on this particular mark. Say if it is in the Excel sheet, I'll be calculating what is the internal mark, what is the external mark, what is the total mark, is pass or fail, or what is the status in each and every subject, what is the increasing trend, for example for a particular subject, what is the score in internal and what is the score in external, how the particular subject is ranging with respect to the marks, whether it is giving more internal marks or more external mark and more total marks and so on. So everything we can do an analysis when it is in Excel. But why not we can do the same very easily using Python? So that's what we are going to see. So now we take this entire data. We have several data here. Now we take all these data to our Python Colab. So I go to my Colab screen. Yes, it was over here. Let me upload that particular data to my Colab screen so that I can read the data. So I just take the student record. I got the file in the Colab. Yes, it is present here. And now I need to do an analysis on this particular student record. So I needed pandas and I use read underscore Excel because I want to read an XLSX file. So I say read underscore XLSX and I get the student record to be printed. See, I have the register number, course, staff ID, FA, sessional 1 mark, sessional 2 mark, assignment, IEL, EL, and NSEM marks. So yes, everything is ready. Now we need to do the processing in the data. So what is that processing? With this available mark, I'll be first interested to calculate the internal marks. So for internal, I'll be considering sessional 1, sessional 2, assignment, and internal lab. So everything I'll be considering for internal mark and everything I'll be having a weightage, totaling up to 50 percentage in internal. So in the internal, I have for sessional 10 percentage weightage, for sessional 2 I have 10 percentage weightage, and for assignment it is again 10 percentage, and for internal lab I give 20 percentage weightage. So I just take, so how we can actually create a new field or a new column in this Excel sheet. So I just take a data of internal marks. You just name it and call it by using the data. Data is nothing but where this entire Excel sheet is being stored in this particular object. So I access a new column. This accessing will be of two types. If the field name is already present, it accesses that particular field. If the field name is new, it creates a new column. So this internal mark is actually new, so it created a new column, say internal mark after nsum. If you see in the previous output, nsum will be in the last column. So now we got a new column, that is say internal marks. So how it is calculated, what are the values of those things? I just say data of sessional 1 into 0.10. What is data of sessional 1? This particular thing. So 90 into 0.10 plus 85 into 0.10 plus 56 into 0.10 plus 74 into 0.20, totaling up to 50 percentage of these four numbers. I get 37.9, and the same procedure is followed for all the records, and I just run it and I get this particular output. Yes. Similarly, you can understand how can I calculate the external marks. You keep the formula as per your university calculations in the weightages for the examinations. I keep external lab say for 15 percentage weightage and in semester theory exam will have a weightage say 0.35. So I create the external marks also. The explanation is similar to the previous one. Now I also calculate the total marks. So how to calculate the total marks? I just sum up the internal and external marks. I get the total marks. So in this way you can do or create operations in Python. What are the things you do it in Excel? You can also do it in the Python by using the pandas package. Now, once this is actually being done, you can actually understand how we can actually do the other operations, say conditional formatting, formula putting, and so on. Here, you need not worry about how to use Excel formula. You can just do a plus addition additional 1 into 10 like that. You can actually put. You need not consider about the Excel formula. You can also do group by operations. I can take what is the group by function for this particular course, or each student how much he got totally. All those things also I can do by using pandas and numpy package, which we'll be seeing in the next video. So in this video, as a summary, I can say that you have learned how to import an Excel file and how to create columns and how to do calculations by using very easy formulas and not the tough Excel formulas. Yes, thank you.